Hear those cicadas?
Yeah?
You talk about survival, man, those are some freaky bugs. They come out of the ground every 7 years, and they live underground the rest of the time. And the only time they come out of the ground is to crawl out of their skins and grow some wings so they can, and then they die. And before they die, they manage to lay some eggs so they...
We've got a better life, hadn't we? We make 'em look sick.
Oh boy, I'll say. Well, don't get any splinters.
Such a Weirdsmobile. I think I'll keep him.
I'm not freaky. I'm not sick. Mammals.